What have we here? This is a package from Raceworks. This is the suspension company that has provided my gravel suspension. Sorry I'm not on my shop table, but my shop table is an absolute mess. And if it makes you feel any better, I built this table as well. So now these are Swift springs. These are not made by them, but when I purchased my suspension from them, these were the springs that were supposed to come with them. And this might sound like, oh, why didn't they send you the right ones? They sent me what they had available at the time. A little bit harder to get a hold of things back then. Customer service wise, they've been extremely impressive. Wow, really cool color choice here. Yeah, there's not really much to this video. I just wanted to take the time to acknowledge that Raceworks indeed followed through. They didn't just like blow me off and act like I didn't exist. You know, they kept in contact with me the entire time. Anytime I had a question or a problem or whatever, they were like on top of it like that. Almost no hesitation for me emailing them and getting a response back. I have full confidence in them if I have any questions or any issues. Even when I was slightly aggressive towards them because I was so frustrated, I had like bloody knuckles, they remained calm with me the entire time. I never felt like I was bothering them or they didn't have time for me. You know, these are all great qualities in a company that you want to put your trust in and you want to invest in, right? Like, I mean, you can buy like a great quality product and never have a problem with it, but you could also be that unlucky one that does have a problem with it, and maybe that great product isn't matched with great customer service, right? And you could tarnish the entire company's reputation in your mind based on how customer service treats you, you know, in your time of need. What are they gonna do for you, right? So in this particular case, nothing was broken, nothing was wrong necessarily. It was just purely on availability. They sent me what they had, and they let me know like, hey, do you want to cancel the order? This is what we got. The standard springs we offer are not as quality of a ride, you know, when you're going over bumps and stuff. But if these Swift springs are a 10 out of 10, ours are a 7 out of 10. They're still great springs, you know. Let's see what this color looks like next to the wheels. Now, you will be able to see a little bit of the suspension. You can see like a little bit poking out right there. So it'll look kind of cool. It'll give it a little bit of extra pop. You can see it a little more clearly in the rear. So it'll be that color. And yes, I did hack the shit out of this. I made it to where I have tire clearance. Originally, I was going to put on some wide body fenders and extend my track a lot more than I did. But I ended up deciding with this, and the suspension with the camber plates allowed me to at least kind of tuck them in. If you look right there, it's at least within that little slot, but I wanted extra clearance because, you know, I don't want the side of this digging into the tire like they do. So I just made as much tire clearance as possible. These are fiberglass, so I just literally cut the opening larger, and then the camber is also pretty extreme, so it's tucked in. This fish eye lens makes this car look like a fucking clown car. Let me show you what it looks like with a normal field of view. Yeah, that's looking better. Looks a lot more normal now, doesn't it? And don't ever buy these damn fiberglass panels. I can't remember the company that makes these, but these were total garbage. I had to do so much modification to get that to work. We're gonna pop these bad boys on here soon. I'm not gonna guarantee I'm gonna do it this weekend or next weekend, but it is on the table. I will let you all know. But I did want to make this video to really drive home the fact that this company is doing a great job with quality products and quality customer service, and that's a great combination. So anyway, have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.